single letter sounds A, C, D, J, K, L, P.
These are the single letter sounds with my animal friends. This is big letter C and small letter C. The sound of this letter is k, 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 as in camel. This is big letter G and small letter G. The sound of this letter is D, 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 as in dog. This is big letter J and small letter J. The sound of this letter is J, 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 as in jaguar. This is big letter K and small letter K. The sound of this letter is K, 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 as in kangaroo. This is big letter L and small letter L. The sound of this letter is L, 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 as in lizard. This is big letter P and small letter P. The sound of this letter is P, 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 as in panda. Very good! Now you know the animal friends of those single letter sounds. The name of this letter is C. This is big letter C. This is small letter C. The sound of this letter is K, like the beginning sound of camel. K, 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 camel. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning K sound. Candle. K, candle. Cockatoo. K, cockatoo. Cop. K, cop. Carrot. K, carrot. Can. K, can. Cat. K, cat. Great work! Now you know the sound of letter C is K, as in camel. The name of this letter is G. This is big letter G. This is small letter G. The sound of this letter is D, like the beginning sound of dog. D, D, D. Dog. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning D sound. Doll. D, doll. Dinosaur. D, dinosaur. Dolphin. D, dolphin. Dentist. D, dentist. Duck. D, duck. Drum. D, drum. Very good! Now you know the sound of letter D is D. The name of this letter is J. This is big letter J. This is small letter J. The sound of this letter is J, like the beginning sound of jaguar. J, 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 jaguar. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning J sound. Jet. J, jet. Jackfruit. J, jackfruit. Jellyfish. J, jellyfish. Jam. J, jam. Jacket. J, jacket. Jar. J, jar. You're doing great! Now you know the sound of letter J is J. The name of this letter is K. This is big letter K. This is small letter K. The sound of this letter is K, like the beginning sound of kangaroo. K, 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 kangaroo. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning K sound. Key. K, key. King. K, king. Kettle. K, kettle. Kite. K, kite. Kiwi. K, kiwi. Koala. K, koala. Yes, you can! Now you know the sound of letter K is K, as in kangaroo. The name of this letter is L. This is big letter L. This is small letter L. The sound of this letter is L, like the beginning sound of lizard. L, lizard. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning L sound. Lamp. L, lamp. leaf. Leaf. Lion. Lion. Lips. Lips. Lack. Lack. Lemon. Lemon. You're brilliant! Now you know the sound of letter L is L, as in lizard. The name of this letter is P. This is big letter P. This is small letter P. The sound of this letter is P, like the beginning sound of panda. P, 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 panda. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning P sound. Pants. Pants. Pillow. Pillow. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pig. Pig. Pen. Pen. Peacock. Peacock. Great work! Now you know the sound of letter P is P, as in panda.